Hey there, Saki here from Saki Tech, and in this video we have some super exciting news that is actually making me happy. There was a post on Reddit which revealed an image of a Samsung Galaxy S9 in a retail box with a spec printout on the rear of the box. I'll drop a link down below to that post. Now we do know most of the specs of the S9 and the S9 Plus. I have revealed those in other videos, but there was a big question mark on whether or not the S9 and the S9 Plus was going to have stereo speakers or not. Many other flagship smartphones like the iPhone X, Pixel 2 XL, some HTC smartphones all have wonderful stereo speakers. And now, if this image is real, and I think it is, the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus has come one step closer to perfection. The box says you will find AKG tuned earphones in there as well, so we do have a 3.5mm headphone jack as well, and stereo speakers, also tuned by AKG for double satisfaction. While other phones are slowly taking away features like microSD card and the headphone jack, Samsung continues to innovate and remain versatile. This is absolutely great news and is one more little detail that would make me want to upgrade to an S9 from an S8. Let me know if this is important to you as well. Now, I also reported that the S9 and the S9 Plus will offer 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. And honestly, the only major innovation that is now lacking on the S9 and the S9 Plus is a front in-display fingerprint scanner, which will probably be coming soon in the next version. And also notice that we have an extremely capable camera with an aperture of f1.5. This simply means higher quality pictures and superior low light performance. f1.5 is absolutely amazing. Now, one disappointment printed on that box is 4 GB of RAM. Keep in mind that this is for the S9 and not the S9 Plus. Reportedly, the S9 Plus might come with 6 GB of RAM. I wouldn't be surprised if the box for that also leaks in a couple days. Anyway, this was a quick video with an exciting update. Let me know what you guys think down below. And make sure to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook for the latest updates. And also, make sure to subscribe to Saki Tech. For now, have a fantastic